Peace and blessings, everyone. This is Lasagna with the Goddess Key. Today is Wednesday, December 2nd, 2020. And the card that was pulled today is Dreams Incubation. And the card reads, "The answer you seek comes to you in your dreams. They are presented through images, stories, as well as visitations from deceased loved ones and from your guides. Find solutions to your questions and evolve spiritually by practicing dream incubation before going to sleep. Plant a mental intentions that you will dream about a specific topic. Focusing your attention in this way will put you in charge of your dreams. As you're sleeping, consciously become aware that you are dreaming. You are more able to manipulate images and experiences. Change outcome in your reality and travel through dimensions of the erotic planes. Dreaming your dreams awake." Additional meaning: take time out to rest. Keep a dream journal. Your dreams are significant. Investigate an occurring dream. Buy a dream interpretation book. A loved one is trying to connect with you through your dreams. Okay, so that was for today. Again, please visit my website, thegoddesskey.com. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at thegoddesskey333. And until next time, peace and blessings.